This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Gage Dopel. Get ready to revive this hidden gem and restore it to its former glory. With a little renovation, this spacious 4-bedroom brick rancher could become your dream home or even a promising investment opportunity. Nestled on a 1.35-acre lot, this residence offers views in part of Caryville and Cove Lake State Park. Inside, you'll discover a living room, a kitchen, a full hallway bathroom, a half bath doubling as a laundry room, and 4 bedrooms. Downstairs, there's a den rec room spanning around 180 square feet. There's an approximately 140-foot right-of-way through the neighbor's driveway to gain access to the property. Plus, it's just a short drive away from I-75 and Norris Lake. The property is being sold as is. Call today to arrange your private tour. For more information, review the details below or contact Gage Dopel at 865-687-1111.